Hey everyone, FleecyDuck here, and today we have lots of surprise eggs. And as always we have a little bit help from Cheeky Chocolate. And I think we have lots of Shopkins today. So let's start with the first one, the yellow surprise eggs. And I already can see some Shopkins, look! Hey, they are so cute and so amazing, wow! So this one, for example, I don't know his name. But maybe you know the names. By the way, I don't know any of the Shopkins names, or only some names. However, I really want to learn more, so let me know in the comments if you know any of these names. But I am sure you guys know them all. So this one, for example, is so cute. But my favorite Shopkin is Strawberry Kiss, of course. So maybe we get Strawberry Kiss, I don't know. So let's shake the white one and open it and see what we get. Yeah, more Shopkins of course, however, no Shopkin, no Strawberry Kiss, no. But we have a hairbrush, cool. So by the way, do you guys have any Shopkins at home? And if so, how much Shopkins do you have? Let me know in the comments, I'm really curious about it. And I also want to know whether or not your friends have some Shopkins. And what is your favorite Shopkin? I really want to know this one too. And in the meanwhile, I will unbox the next surprise egg. Here we have a blue surprise egg and see what we get. I already can see a little TV, a little television, and here we have some milk. But as always, I don't know the name, so let me know in the comments if you know any of these names. I'm really curious about it. I really want to know all their names. And yeah, here we have a little TV. There are still 3 surprise eggs to go, so let's open the pink one. And of course we have more Shopkins. This one, for example, is sparkling. Yeah, look at all the glitter, I love this one too. But I'm still hoping for Strawberry Kiss, of course, because this is my favorite one. So okay, let's see, the blue one or the red one? I think I will open the blue one. With the funny eyes. Yay! And I already can see some sushi. Hey, this one is awesome too. But again, I don't know the name, so please guys, let me know their names. They are so fun. Some sushi. I think we already had this one. This is our first duplicate for today. Okay, let's go on to the final surprise egg for today. Here we have the red one, and of course there are lots of Shopkins inside. This peach, for example. Very cute. So, what's your favorite Shopkin? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to FleecyDuck, so we can meet again and unbox even more surprise eggs. Bye bye!